Welcome to today's news.
IPPB SO 2025 admit card released. Candidates can download the admit card from IPPBonline.com. India Post Payments Bank IPPB Limited has released admit cards for the Specialist Officer Recruitment Examination. Candidates can download the admit card from IPPBonline.com. This recruitment is for filling the vacancies of 68 posts. Assistant Manager 54 vacancy. Manager IT Payment Systems 1 vacancy. Manager IT Infrastructure Network and Cloud 2 vacancy. Manager IT Enterprises Data Warehouse 1 vacancy. Senior Manager IT Payment Systems 1 vacancy. Senior Manager IT Infrastructure Network and Cloud 1 vacancy. Senior Manager IT Vendor Outsourcing Contract Management Procurement SLA Payments 1 vacancy. Cyber Security Expert 7 vacancy. The online examination will have 150 questions and total of 150 marks. Name of the section English language, number of questions 20, total marks 20, time 50 minutes. Name of the section reasoning, number of questions 40, total marks 40, time 35 minutes. Name of section quantitative aptitude, number of questions 40, total marks 40, time 35 minutes. Name of the section professional knowledge, number of questions 50, total marks 50, time 35 minutes. Total number of questions 150 numbers, total marks 150, duration 120 minutes or 2 hours. The time for the test is 120 minutes, but candidates may have to be at the venue for approximately 180 minutes, which includes the time required for logging in, collection of the call letters, going through the instructions, etc. The medium of the test will be English. Candidates will be allowed attempt questions from a section during the time allotted for that section only. All the questions will have multiple choices, and out of the 4 options, only one will be the correct answer. Candidates have to select the most appropriate answer. There will be no penalty for wrong answers. The cutoff may be applied to sectional and total scores. Candidates will have to pass each of the objective tests.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.